Unit 32. Unit 32. Mr. Atimpaga. Mr. Atimpaga of Paga. Now let's come to the key words. So here we are learning about a man called Mr. Atimpaga who lives in Paga. Atimpaga, Atimpaga, Paga, rice, Kayoro, rice, cattle, China, goose, Navrongo, Navrongo, feed. So this is the man called Mr. Atimpaga, and this is the farm. So Mr. Atimpaga is on the farm now. Let us read the passage. Mr. Atimpaga comes from Paga. He is a good farmer. He has a rice farm at Kayoro. He has a rice farm at Kayoro. It is supposed to be Kayoro, not Koyoro. Kayoro, because that is the word here. Kayoro. He rears cattle at China. He rears cattle at China. He sells his goods at the Navrongo market. He sells his goods at the Navrongo market. Mr. Atimpaga can feed many people. Mr. Atimpaga can feed many people. His children have plenty of food to eat. His children have plenty of food to eat. His wife and children are always happy. His wife and children are always happy. I like Mr. Atimpaga because. So give us a reason why you like Mr. Atimpaga. Maybe I like Mr. Atimpaga because he is a good farmer. Why are Mr. Atimpaga's children not sad? Okay, so we wait for your answer. Why are Mr. Atimpaga's children not sad? Okay, nice one.